In this video, I'll be discussing 3 stocks that I might be potentially buying for the month of 2020. But before we get started, if you guys could please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. It really means a lot to me. And just a disclaimer out there, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. Please do your own research before buying any stocks you guys may like. Let's go to stock number 1 that I might be potentially buying is JWN, most known as Nordstrom stock. I have a variety of reasons why I think this stock is intriguing at these prices. I list them. Let's go right through them, guys. Black Friday online sales, in my personal opinion, will be amazing. They will show in the next quarter. Black Friday just happened. And in my personal opinion, I do think that Black Friday sales will be amazing just because a lot more people are shopping online. They don't want to go into stores, especially in California. They have a limited capacity and they're only letting about like 25% capacity. So it's like the lines are just ridiculous. And then like they have less employees working. So you get a line to get into the store, and then you get in the store, and then you're trying to purchase in the store, and then you have to wait another line to purchase. And I think a lot of people are just tired of that. They rather shop online and just go to the store, pick it up, or just have it delivered to their house. That's reason number 1 why I think JWN is a good stock to buy right now, because I think Black Friday online sales will be amazing. Reason number 2 is just because year over year, e-commerce sales are up 21.6%. E-commerce sales are just becoming more common. A lot more people are shopping online. Once again, they don't want to go to the stores. They don't want to be looking for parking. They don't want to deal with lines. They don't want to deal with the employees and all that good stuff. Reason number 3 is digital sales accounted for 61% of total sales for Q2. What does that tell us as investors? As investors, if there's another lockdown that happens in the United States, that's okay for Nordstrom. Why? Because only 39% of the sales happen in stores. 61% of the sales happens online. So that'll be okay because obviously the online business will still be open. Customers will still be able to shop online. Just because there's a lockdown doesn't mean the whole store shut down and you can't shop online, right? So even if there's another lockdown when 2021 starts, that's okay. That's not going to make the company go bankrupt, in my personal opinion. So this is why I think JWN is a very intriguing stock. Also, the reason why I think Nordstrom is a very good stock to own is just because they had to cut their dividends when the year started because their business got impacted, and obviously they didn't want to pay like investors their dividends because they didn't know for how long this was going to happen. But in my personal opinion, within the next 1 or 2 years, they will bring back that beautiful dividend that really attracts more investors, just because there's a lot more investors that don't invest in a certain company if they don't provide dividends. So I just think when the dividends comes, that will actually mean that they're actually making a lot more money, because now they have to pay their investors their dividend. So these are the reasons why stock number 1 is JWN. I might be potentially buying this stock for the month of 2020. Please do your own research. Don't buy it just because I'm saying it. Let's go to stock number 2. Stock number 2 is Tesla. Tesla is a well-ran company. It's probably ran by one of the best CEOs in the world. I think he's the best CEO in the world, and he has a lot going forward for himself. He wants to change the world for the better. And this is why a lot of people are investing in Tesla, just because they believe in the CEO a lot. They like his mindset. They like the way he's changing the world. So let's get to it. I wrote down the reasons why I'm buying this stock. Let's talk about it. EV is the future. EV is the future no matter what your personal opinion is. These are just the facts. Just look up California. California doesn't want to produce no gasoline vehicles by the year 2035. And I think Europe has something going for themselves like that as well. And more countries are starting to like make laws like this. They don't want to have gasoline cars no more because of the pollution and all that good stuff. So EV is the future. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is Tesla is the number 1 EV sales right now. So we're thinking long term. If EV is the future and Tesla's number 1 right now, and you look at the competitors are actually trash. Like the competitors suck, and the competitors are like years behind Tesla's vehicles. Like it's just ridiculous. Ford sucks. Toyota sucks. And it's like, who else? Volkswagen is a joke. So it's like, if you're going to buy an EV vehicle as of right now, and as of next 2 years, you're going to buy a Tesla. That's just the facts. Profits are coming in massively. And it's just like, at first people bashed them because they weren't making money. But the thing they didn't know is that you have to like, they were making money, but they were just so focused on the hyper growth that they just like had to take out debt to grow and just grow faster and grow faster. That's the Elon Musk mentality, and that's what they were doing. A lot of people were bashing them because they were not making profits, and now that they're making profits, now they're making other excuses, which is ridiculous in my personal opinion. Also, Tesla is building gigafactories around the world. They have the Berlin Gigafactory getting built right now. I think it will be done by the end of 2021, in my personal opinion. And then they have the Austin Gigafactory as well getting built. And now they're talking about talks about an Indonesia factory getting built as well. So you're just starting to see the trend. Everyone loves Tesla. The whole world loves Tesla. So it's like, why not invest in Tesla, you know? Also, S&P 500 inclusion. What this means is that now they're in the S&P 500 as of like December, the second week of December. Funds will be forced to buy Tesla shares. And it's just like, all these things are happening with Tesla, that people who didn't believe in Tesla now believe in Tesla. And the people who always believed in Tesla are just saying like, you see, I told you so. So it's like, just hop on the bandwagon, guys. If you guys are late to the bandwagon, in my personal opinion, you guys should hop on the bandwagon. But please do your own research before buying. This is not investing advice once again. And also, my last point on the reason why I will be buying Tesla, it's just that it has amazing tech. And it's just like, if you don't believe in their Tesla tech, or if you believe their Tesla tech is trash, just go on a Tesla vehicle that has autopilot and you'll be amazed. You'll be like, damn, like this is amazing. There's no other car that compares to Tesla as of right now, in my personal opinion. So if you know someone who has Tesla autopilot, I recommend you to go inside that Tesla, ask them if they could put it on autopilot and go for a good run, and they'll be amazing, guys. These are just my opinion, but these are the reasons why I might be potentially buying Tesla very soon, guys. So it's just like, it's my personal opinion again. Let's go to stock number 3. Stock number 3 I might be potentially buying is NIO stock. NIO stock is a stock I've been thinking about buying for a couple months, but I list the reasons. Let's go through them once again. It's backed by their own government, which this means, in my opinion, is that the government will not let them go bankrupt, even if they have a bad business model or whatever. I think if a government is backing up a certain company, it's not going to let it go bankrupt. Just like Boeing in the United States, Boeing is always messing up on certain things, but the United States will not let them go bankrupt, just because the United States needs Boeing, in my personal opinion. Also, the reason why I'll be buying NIO, if it dips, it's just because I think they have the potential to be number 2 in the EV space in China, just because like it's backed by their own government. It's NIO. They have a good product, in my personal opinion. They're doing a lot of good stuff with their batteries as well. So it's just like they have a lot of market share to gain, in my personal opinion. And once again, EV is a future. So if NIO does a good job on progressing and capturing market share, when EV becomes the future, well, EV is already the future, but when EV becomes like the trending thing, a lot of people hop on the EV like model and stuff, NIO could actually be potential number 2 in the EV market share, in my personal opinion. Also, a good thing about NIO is that quarter over quarter, they're starting to lose less money, which is very good to see. Hopefully, they become profitable as the years come, and that will make a lot of investors start buying NIO stock again, because now they're scared of them going bankrupt will go away, just because they're not losing as much money no more. And I don't think they will go bankrupt, in my personal opinion, just because it's backed by their own government. And once again, I highly doubt their own government will let them go bankrupt no matter what happens. But these are the 3 stocks I might be potentially buying for the month of December 2020. If you guys liked the video, can you guys please hit the like and subscribe button? Comment your doubts down below. And I hope you guys like this channel. So you guys have a wonderful day.